Okay, I'm going to try to make this quick and easy. I have an F350 Lariat, loaded everything, to 2015 with 169,000 miles. I have a no start, sometimes. Most of the times it starts. The no start appears when you turn the key, there's nothing, no click. You don't hear your low pressure pump kick on or nothing. Turn it back off, try it again, it'll start. Sometimes I have to try it several times. Lately it's been getting worse and worse. So I replaced the starter on it and I replaced the ignition switch on it. Same problem. What I ultimately finally did was, I guess I should start with it first, a $20 relay switch in the engine compartment fixed the problem. This relay switch, as you can tell, is the original, and what I replaced it with was just a standard, there is the part number, relay switch. And for 2 weeks now, it's been starting fine, no more issues. I'm going to show you where this distribution box is under the hood on the driver's side behind the coolant bottle. And as you can see, it's that one right there. And it says run start relay. So obviously that was my problem, the run start relay, which is in about the center of your distribution box. And if you flip over on the back side of the distribution box, it shows it as number 48. So if you're looking at the back side of your panel distribution box, it's going to be number 48 relay. I just curious, took the relay apart to kind of look inside, see what the heck, and it just magnetizes when you turn the switch on. It energizes these two guys and continues the circuit, and that's why I wasn't hearing the fuel pump kick on, because it wouldn't trigger the relay. So that's it, folks. I'm going to replace my other relays for the AC and my fuel pump relay also, just because I figure if one went bad this early in the game, my other ones are probably right behind it, and for 20 bucks it's peace of mind. Simple. Hope it helps you out. I'd start with this.